Most people think that the hardest part of starting a new project is the coding. Half the time, the real end boss is just opening up your laptop and setting up your environment. It's embarrassingly simple, but somehow becomes this huge psychological wall standing between you and writing your first line of code. Hi, I'm Bella. If you're new here, welcome. I haven't coded in my personal machine for a while now, and I'm so tempted to spend hours finding the best VS Code setup, the right extensions, the perfect folder structure, the right theme to match my new wallpaper, everything except actually writing code. I've lost entire afternoons chasing the perfect setup, only to find myself with an empty repository in the end. Should I reorganize my whole directories? Maybe I'll try a new theme. Wait, should I migrate to a different code editor? Hours gone, zero code written. What finally helped me was reframing the whole environment setup task as part of the development process instead of something separate that needs to be done and perfected before I can actually start coding. Because let's face it, you don't need the perfect foundation to start. You just need something that's functioning and allows you to write some code so you can do things. Install the basics. Open a repository. Print something. And start coding. The rest will evolve naturally with your project. It's like the new apartment rule. When you first move into an apartment, you won't first decorate it to perfection before you can actually live in it. You will decorate it because you live in it, and it will slowly evolve into the space that it's more comfortable to you. My desk setup, for example, keeps evolving with my needs. I only got my third screen when I decided that I absolutely need it. For example, ever since I got cats, I always have to have something like a box or a cat bed on my desk, because that's where I spend most of my time. And I don't know, for some reason cats really like to just chill with you passively. They're kind of cute like that. My YouTube filming setup also keeps evolving with my needs. I got a new mic. Check it out. You can hear me all the way from here. Technically, I could be walking all around my room and you would still be able to hear me, even from all across the other edge, because I have a new mic and it doesn't matter how close I am to the camera anymore. How cool is that? I feel so professional. And I'm hoping that the background will become more vibey and more me as I continue to grow in this skill. Shit, I need a spell checker. Every personal project I've ever abandoned, it died in the setup phase, not in the coding phase. Starting messy is the only thing that consistently works. So, this is your sign. Get your laptop or your PC, open an editor, preferably an IDE, don't be a masochist, and just start with what can run tonight. Then add to it whenever you feel like it. If you're waiting for some expensive mechanical keyboard to arrive, or your theme to perfectly match your curtains, you will lose time. And that's not necessarily something that you have to regret, but your future self will always be grateful to your present self for actually starting the project. I would pick a framework that you want to start with, watch a YouTube tutorial or the tutorial from the official website of the framework on how to make something run, and then get your dopamine boost from it, and then start tweaking it to fit what you want to do. If you need some help with that, check out my video on how to find good resources, or the one on how to choose a fun project that you will actually feel excited to start on. And don't forget to join our Discord server in case you come upon some difficulties that Google or ChatGPT cannot help you with. Thank you for watching the video up until this point, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! My cats are here today, all three of them, so it's going to be absolutely chaotic. We'll see how that goes. They're currently about to have a fight right next to my tripod. My other cat is scratching her nails on the bed.